what would valuations, net revenue, and fundraising look like at different stages of the funding cycle. So Guillaume, I presented this earlier, but let me put the screen, the presentation in full screen so you get a sense of it. I will probably put the slide on my blog as well, this way people get a sense. Now, as I said, the revenues here are net revenues, and so it'd be very different numbers if you're looking at gross sales for a marketplace, for instance. But the problem is, the reason the gross sales is not comparable is it's very different if a marketplace takes 50% versus one that takes 1%, which might be more common in the B2B space. Likewise, in the e-commerce world, a company that has a 70% gross margin would have very different valuations than one that is selling other people's products and ends up with a 20% gross margin. So these ranges are rather wide, and there are always exceptions. In fact, the exceptions that have a tendency to make the news are the ones where the company is doing so amazingly well that perhaps their Series A looks like a Series B, or their Series B looks like a Series C. But make no mistake, these are the exceptions, not the rule. I'm giving you the numbers closer to the median here for each of the categories. Video game startups, I sadly cannot comment on. I actually don't know what the numbers look like.